Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to open Google Forms without sign-in. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Google Forms website right here, docs.google.com/forms. This is the main URL that you want to open up, and once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. This is going to be the main page where you can take a look at all the options we can access in the upper right corner. First, we can get started with logging in. So if you do not already have a Google account, what you can do is go ahead and sign up for one, and if you have one, just log in normally. So after logging into your Google account, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page where we can get started creating a new form. We can take a look at our recent forms that we have created and so on. And now let's go ahead and see what we can do. Basically guys, let's say you opened up a form and you want to access it, but it tells you that you need to sign in. What do you need to do? Basically guys, if a tutorial form like this one right here, I have a form called tutorial form. If this form is enabled to require sign in, then you're going to need to sign into your account and you will need to be invited to this form. So if you go into the settings option right here of any form that you have created or somebody else's form, you can go ahead and access the settings right here, and then you can open up the responses. Under the responses, we have the limit to one response option that's going to enable anybody that wants to access the form required to sign in. So if you want to access this form, you're going to have to sign in. If this is turned on, if you want to turn this off, just turn it off and people will not have to sign in to access your form. So you know, if you access a form and you need to sign in, then this is enabled and you will need to log into your account. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care and bye.